Unexpected ass day. Legit came here fishing for some largemouth. Me and my boy Kevin. But we ended up catching something else that you will see. Pretty good day though. Getting sick. Copper, what was it? Copper spoon? The Castmasters? Copper Castmasters was getting it. We will be back here probably tomorrow. See if we can catch some more trout, but I'm gonna bring power bait. Got some pretty big ones. I'll give you a little sneak peek. A little sneak peek. Look at that. The damage was done. Enjoy this video. It's a shorty, but a goodie. If we don't catch nothing, no bites, we might start finessing some drop shotting, probably a Ned rig. And if that don't work, we're gonna fish trout because they plant trout here. Keep this new banner though. So if you guys ever see my truck, yeah, that's looking really nice. I'll turn the camera back on once we are in the water. Everything just to go to one fishing spot. Kevin, quit being scared, bro. The water's just below us. If we fall,
fucking the rocks don't hurt.
We fall.
How are we getting back up, first of all?
The water's right there.
How are we getting back up?
Through the same way.
Nah, hell no.
What you mean? Oh shit. It's gonna be easy, bro. Come on. Kevin. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Kevin, you go on your ass. Come here, weenie.
I got it.
You see, you're good. This dude, why you scared of heights, bro?
Why you scared of heights? I'm scared to get fucking
Broken
broken bones.
bones? Broken bones are the best type of bones. Ooh, this spot looks juicy though. I got a gold one. Look how light they are.
There we go.
Oh, I got a silver one right here too. Let's try the deadly Nedley. The deadly Nedley. Let's go with the old drop of the shot. Yeah, boy. Drop shot never fails, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Drop shot never fails. No, got me in the log.
Better wait till it gets out. Hold the log. Hold it, help it.
Dude, it got me stuck in the log. He's still there. Hold on. Get out of there. He's still there. Oh, it snapped me.
Stuck there?
I don't know. Fucking pissed.
Pull the fucking log.
Shit happened again.
Hell no. You gonna pull that fucking log.
Nah, it snapped me.
Nah,
Look.
nigga, we pulling that log. That nigga's on there.
Nah, he's not. If he is, bro, it's a miracle. Oh, that's tough. That's what I'm saying, bro. Crazy. Hey, at least we know they're biting on drop shot. You alright? The drop shot. It was a good size one, huh? It was like a 2-pounder. A deuce. It wasn't deep either.
Color too, huh? Got it?
Yep. It's that green. It's that bluegill green. There's more. They have to be stacked together because it's hella cold. Real talk. That would have been my first fish, bro. That's already 2 that I missed on this. Go a little bit deeper. You're coming with me this time. Oh yeah, boy. This is a good one. Oh yeah, boy. This is a good one. Come to the boat, baby. Yeah. Once he's lit, he's good to go. That's some winter bass fishing for you right there, ladies and gentlemen. And it's only gonna get better. The drop shot. Slow, slow, slow. Look at that. Let's get the release on this. On this butte. On this butte. Oh, the water's so cold. Poor baby. Oh! Yes, sir. They're still jumping, huh? It's lit. Is that a fish? You got one? What is it, trout? Kevin got one.
Yep. Not bad.
No, it's a trout, bro. Put it up here. It's a big one. Oh, the first trout. Hell yeah. Damn, that's a decent sized trout, bro. That's a keeper. Good fucking shit, my dude. Hell yeah. Want me to help you with that? Dude, that's a decent ass trout, bro.
Okay.
Look, there's more right there. They're just jumping up and down. You got a fishing line so we could tie it to a stringer?
Yeah, in the box.
Yeah, bring some line out so we could wrap it. These are gonna be dinner right here. Look at that size of that trout. Whoo, so such a plan. We're gonna target trout now because they're just popping off like crazy. It'd be dumb for us not to try. Look, show off your trout, Kevin. Look at that. Look how big they are, dude. Hell yeah, we gotta stock up on some trout. Woo! I gotta walk more.
I know,
We gotta walk more, bro. Hey, this turned out good though. Spot number two. Trout. Got one. Yep. How's it look? Nice? Oh, it's barely hooked, bro. Good job. Yes. Yes. My first trout of the year. Yep. I didn't catch nothing when I went out to Shadow Cliff, bro. Even better, I caught her at my home lake.
Oh, in the eye.
Time to go to spot number 3. We got 2 trout. One on spot 1. One on spot 2. Let's see how many we get on spot 3. Number 3. Boat dock. Boat dock time. As you can see, Kevin has both of our trout. Both over 12 inches. 12 inches is the length required to keep. And we're already seeing life. Signs of life. Look, Kevin, creep up on him, boy. Creep up on him. One. Nice, dude. I had my GoPro off, but good shit, bro. I'm over here switching to a drop shot, trying to see if I catch some bass. Kevin is a trout master. That patience. I want to catch some bass. Catch some bass. Oh, got another one? Oh, ho, ho. Kevin's on fire over here. There you go. There you go.
Barely hooked, dude.
Barely hooked, huh?
I'm about to throw that something.
Nice.
Dude, you're fucking huge.
Good shit, my dick. Ooh, ooh. Hold it, fight it.
Fight
Dude, the biggest. I know it is. Fight it. Just hold pressure, fight it. Watch out with this. Fight it, bring it over here, Kevin. Bring it over here. That's a mini salmon, bro.
Is it?
Looks like it. You got it or you good?
I got it.
Hell yeah. What's been there? Got him. Yep.
Good one?
I don't know. Little baby.
Yeah, no, that's a good sign.
Yeah, nah, it's a keep right in the mouth.
Keep it or no?
Yeah. Ah, dude, they're so slimy, bro. We got 2, 4, 6. Huh? Nah, no, we got one more. Woo! It's time to end the day. Unexpected day.
Beach.
That's what the massacre looks like right there. Lift them up for the camera, Kevin. Yup.